Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring with you my new credit card product, and that would be from Robinsons Bank. Okay, so before I proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and Laika at RayRaynatics. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video na lang to avoid receiving some negative comments dyan. Kasi syempre, nakaka-receive ako ng negative comments dyan lately. Syempre, ano lang din, para maging avoid kung ano yung ganitong contents ko, just exit lang. If gusto nyo pa rin ako i-bash, I would say you're just wasting your time. Okay? So, my apologies din guys if I don't know if this video would be really quick kasi palis na rin ako because I have some event today and today is my birthday kasi. So, ayun, happy birthday to me. So, yeah, I don't know if this video would be really quick na. So, if not, let's just stick to the point na baka ma-exit tayo for some extra time. Okay, so, yun na nga. Meron akong bagong credit card product na na-receive ngayon. And that was with Robinsons. Ito siya. Robinsons Cashback. Ayan. Mastercard po siya. Mastercard. That comes with ano na rin siya, yung EMB chip and then the contactless payment and all that. So, ayan siya. Yan yung Robinsons Cashback credit card ko from Robinsons Bank. Pero kasi, di ba recently lang, nag-merge yung Robinsons Bank into BPI. So, I don't know if this kind of credit card that I have ay magiging BPI na siya. So, we'll see about it muna. Pero before we talk about it, for like that, so, ayun, gusto ko muna ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga perks and privileges dito sa ano na to, sa credit card na to. So, I'm going to ano na lang to show it to you. I'm not going to read it for you. So, if you want, i-pause nyo na lang for a moment. So, eto siya. Ayan. I-pause nyo muna siya guys kung ano yung mga ano neto, perks and privileges and all that. So, ayan siya. Okay, so if nabasa niyo na siya, yun, aware kayo kung ano yung mga magiging rewards nito, or yung mga cashback and all that. And then, I think the additional benefits for that is, syempre, ano din siya, meron din siyang installment plan to enjoy a flexible installment plan to manage your credit card monthly bills. So, yun siya. And then, meron din siyang better security for receiving some SMS alerts for every approved transactions made using your Robinsons Cashback credit card. I think it's really great kasi para halimbawa, if you made a transaction that is really you, and then let's say for example, nag-order kayo dun sa McDonald's, like let's say for example like 350 pesos, then definitely ikaw yung mismo yung gumawa ng transaction, then definitely you'll receive an SMS alert na ayun, gumawa ka na ng ganong transaction. But if ever, kung halimbawa merong ka na receive na merong transaction na ano like 1,200 pesos sa Max Restaurant, if ever kung hindi man ikaw yung gumawa nun, just call your bank and then tell them na magpa-file kayo ng dispute and sabihin nyo sa kanila na hindi yung ganitong transaction na gawa ko, so I'm not going to pay for this kind of transaction na hindi ko ginawa. So ayan, it's good to know na may ganito silang feature. I think some other banks naman din, they do this naman. So yeah, that's really great. And then, let's proceed kung ano yung magiging requirements nito. So, you must be at least 21 to 65 years old for primary primary card holder or your principal, and then at least 16 years old for supplementary card holders. So ayan. And then kailangan syempre Filipino citizen ka and or Philippine resident ka na nakatira ka dito for the last 2 years. And then kailangan mo magkaroon ng minimum gross fixed annual income for 180,000 pesos if single, and then 240,000 pesos if married. So bakit may mga ganitong requirements? So ayan. And then syempre must be a regular employee or has an existing business that has been operating for the past 2 years. So ayan siya. And then kailangan may landline, working landline ka, tapos postpaid mobile phone, and kailangan meron ka ring existing email address. And then must reside or work within an area where a Robinsons Bank branch is located. So yeah. And then as usual, yung mga documents, you need to submit your valid ID such as your passport, driver's license, UMID ID, national ID, and all that. And then yung proof of income for employed applicants, kailangan nyo na mag-submit ng ITR, latest payslip for at least 1 month, and then COE nyo. And then for self-employed naman, yung ITR nyo, and then yung audited financial statement for at least 2 years, and then yung copy of your business name sa sa DTI or SEC. So ayan siya. And then 3 months bank statement din at the same time. So ayan. Now let's proceed kung magkano yung annual fee nito. So the annual membership fee is waived for the first year. So lagi naman siyang ganon. I think every credit cards here in the Philippines are always waived for the first year. And then for the second year naman, you will be charged for 2,500 pesos. Again, kung lagi niyo siyang ginagamit, tawagan niyo yung bank to request for waiving the annual fee. Or maybe there's some other options naman kung paano niyo siya ipa-waive yung annual fee. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know more sa mga information dito sa credit card na to, you can go to their website dun sa robinsonsbank.com.ph. Okay, I think yung pinaka-concern ko kasi dito sa sa Robinsons Bank is nag-merge na nga sila with BPI. So I have an existing credit card din sa BPI, pero medyo mababa din yung credit limit doon kasi kakaano ka lang din kasi from secured credit card na siya into regular credit card. Yun nga lang, nung nagano ako ng regular credit card sa kanila, mababa lang yung in-increase nun. Pero for me, okay lang naman din sa akin, and wala naman akong balak ipa-close nun kasi yun yung pinakaunang credit card ko sa kanila. But if ever, kung halimbawa yung Robinsons Robinsons credit card ko, I think I don't know kung magiging BPI din siya eventually. So if ever man baka biglang magi-increase na rin yung credit limit ko dun sa sa BPI, and then probably I'll be canceling this credit card kasi parang if ever baka mag-shared limits lang sila so ayun. And then ito kasing credit limit nito is 60,000 pesos only, pero kasi ayoko kasi ng mga low credit limit, like lower than 100,000 pesos. So I actually don't want to go lower than 100,000 pesos because most of my credit cards that I have, meron na akong 100,000 pesos and above na credit limit, tapos puro platinum na rin. So ayun, yung sa BPI ko, I know I don't know if I mentioned na 40,000 pesos yung credit limit nun, currently. Pero if ever kung magiging BPI nga tong ano, yung Robinsons credit card ko sa kanila into PPI, then definitely baka magano na sila. Magsasama na sila ng credit limit. Yun nga lang, magiging shared nga lang sila. So, if ever man, ipapaklose ko na rin tong ano, Robinsons cashback. So, ang ikikip ko na lang is yung BPI ko. So, ayan siya. Okay, so I know marami na rin ako na feature ng mga credit cards lately, pero recently lang may mga nabawasan na rin akong credit card because some of them are still basic pa rin and hindi ko may increase yung credit card yung credit limit. So ang ginawa ko na lang is pinakat ko na lang sila kasi ano ayoko, as what I said earlier, I don't want to go lower than 100,000 pesos and below. So yun, um yun lang guys. So basically what I'm going to do is to activate na lang sa credit card na to, and then yeah, maybe I'll start using it na ano lang, siguro mga ano lang, siguro mga bihira lang or what. So ayun, by the way guys, yung nag-deliver kasi sa akin is from ano ano to, Intervolve. So yan siya, ito yung nag-deliver sa akin. And kailangan if ever kung sa credit card agent kayo nagpa-apply, abisuhan nyo sa kanila na kung sino magtatanggap nito sa credit card nito. Kasi syempre, if ever man na kung walang tao sa bahay, kung wala ka sa bahay, pero may tao dun sa bahay ninyo, then definitely sila na lang ang pwede receive ng credit card ninyo. So, okay. And then, ito yung envelope niya. So, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. It has my name on it and my billing address and all that. So, ayan siya. As you can see here, ito yung Robinsons, pero may nakaano din siya na BPI. So, ayan siya. Yan, nag-merge na siya into BPI. So, yun nga, as what I said earlier, na hindi natin alam kung magiging BPI na talaga itong yung Robinsons cashback credit card ko. So, yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and yun nga, as what I said, kung itong video na to ay very quick lang, yan. And then if ever kung meron pa ako hindi nasabi, or kung gusto niyo pa ng clarifications, just comment below. Again nga, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video na lang and humanap na lang kayo ng content creator that is more favorable for you. Okay, so I think this would be the end of my video. Paalis na rin ako because ayun nga, magsa-start na rin kami mag-celebrate ang birthday ko. So basically, I'm already 23 years old na. Ayun lang guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, and peace for now.